Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. First things first, okay, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I super appreciate you, my old-time subscribers. You guys know how I feel, okay? It's nothing new.
What's up, everybody?
You guys know I love you very much, all right? And also, thank you for clicking on this video, all right? So, I went to the beauty supply and I have seen this extreme hold styling glue. All right, so it's not gonna focus, so we're gonna put it on the side. All right, extreme hold styling stay glue. Oh, stay glue. For natural hair. All right, sculpt and stay, long lasting, flake free hold, humidity resistant for extreme styles. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens or mineral oil. We know that CANTU has that reputation of having none of those harsh ingredients in their products, okay? This kind of reminds me of when I tried the, what was that? Like a sticky tacky gel. For some reason, I can't think of what it was. It was by Cream of Nature, and y'all saw like the fail. It was like a fail because I used it as for like a wash and go when you really were supposed to just kind of use it with your hair kind of up. That's what it reminds me of. Now, I have not opened this or anything. Now on the back, it does say apply to damp hair to create long lasting styles. Now it doesn't give you, like I was trying to say in the other video, all right? People tried to come for me, all right? But that's what we're not gonna do in 2018.
Come on, tell them. Tell them.
So it don't say don't use it for this and don't use it for that. It's just, you know, because it is a glue, or at least it says a glue. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, this is just like a really thick gel, and it smells very coconut-y. It does have like that CANTU smell. So normally how I would do my top knot is I'm soaking wet hair, and I would have to motion it into a high bun, because you know I don't like all the bumps in the back. I like for it to be very smooth and molded to my head. So I find that doing my hair in sections, using a dipping brush to smooth my hair and really get it up in this bun is what really works for me, okay? But since I've already worn a bun, if you follow my Snapchat, you already saw my bun. A lot of you guys actually asked for me to give you a tutorial on how I did it. It's very simple. I don't really think you guys would be interested because I feel like everybody knows how to do a top knot. But since y'all asked, you know what I mean, and I'm trying out a new product, why not just show y'all what I did, right? All right. Okay, see, we not gonna judge. All right, so we're gonna split this hair down the middle. All right, we're gonna get some water going. Water just really helps to make it a lot more manageable and a lot easier to manipulate my hair up into a bun. I do have previous product on here, so I'm really just kind of reactivating the product as well, which was just Eco Styler. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my favorite leave-in, which is the Paul Mitchell, the conditioner. I'll put it back up on the screen just in case you're unfamiliar of this product, but please get familiar, okay? Then we're gonna take, well, first we're gonna pray, okay? We're gonna talk to the Lord real quick to get this together. And then this is the consistency of the said product, which is the CANTU Stay Glue. I love the consistency because I do like really thick and heavy products on my hair. The application, y'all, oh my God. It was amazing. When I mean amazing, it slid right through my hair. It had so much slip. Like I didn't expect for that to happen. But the application is like applying a very thick butter that just glides through your hair with so much slip. So that was very awesome because you don't expect that. All right. Well, at least I didn't. So I'm not going to use Paul Mitchell on this side because I just want to see how the product is going to work on its own with just minimal product that I've already had before. So we're going to sing and really get into it. All right. And then we're going to take it again, simply apply it all over. So now I'm testing it in several different ways. Okay. I'm testing the ends of my hair to see how it does with frizz, since it says it's anti-humidity and all that good stuff. Then I'm testing the part of my hair where I'm brushing my hair up into a ponytail, and then my BDBs, my kitchen area. Okay. And then my baby hairs and adolescent hairs. Okay. Because usually you already know, y'all know that I am an Eco Styler junkie, okay? And I live and swear by Eco Styler, and this is what gets my buns to pop and gives me shine. So I'm just trying to see if I can switch it up with some stay glue. All right.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm testing it out on all areas of my hair because all the areas really act completely different from one another. But I really was surprised by the shine. Okay, do y'all see that shine? I was like, oh, okay, I see the shine. So again, we are testing this on my adolescent hairs, making sure that they are going to stay down with no problem since this is a stay glue. That's what it says. So y'all know how to do a top knot. All right, it's nothing that y'all don't do. I did get a lot of requests from my Snapchat video to do the bun that I did that was in the video. I'm just gonna recreate that real quick. It's super easy. I'm very particular about bumps on the back of my head. I like to have it nice and sleek and slick. All right, so I am just creating, it was so fast, y'all, I'm sorry. I'm just creating like a faux donut, as if I had a donut right there and just putting my hair over. I like for it to look like it's not really, like I didn't try, but I tried. So then I placed a rubber band at the top to give me more of a height. And to just give it some character, you know what I mean? Just to make it kind of look like a true top knot, like it's knotted up in there somewhere, you know? Then I like to take the product and apply it to my beauty beads because we're testing it out. So I just really want to see if this area of my hair is going to move or revert and so forth. I'm very, like I said, very particular about my hair, and I usually don't lay down my edges, but I felt like I needed to with this, which was kind of getting me a little like, wait a minute, it's supposed to be a stay glue.
Are you done? Are you done?
Yes, I'm done. Okay. So this is how my baby hair is looking. I wasn't really excited about it. I had to rebrush this area, so it really wasn't giving me much hold, which was just kind of, disappointing because it is a stay glue. So stay tuned for my thoughts. I'm just reviewing it as far as using the term stay glue and putting my hair up into a top knot. What I've noticed is I have to come behind a lot of areas like the back that I normally wouldn't have to do if I was using one of my favorite gels, which is the Eco Styler gel. So if you're new to this channel, I rise with my Eco. People can attest that that's just the gel that works for me, and I love it so very much. I have several videos on Eco Styler gel. Back to this. A lot of my areas of my hair are already reverting back. My baby hair, adolescent, teenage, whatever you want to call it, they're reverting back, and usually I don't get that problem with a gel. And then it is very sticky. Well, it is stay glue, but it's very, I don't know if can y'all see that?
What in the hell?
See how sticky it is? Now that could just be because I put my Pump It Up spray on my edges, but that's for like glue like. But one thing that I can say is that the application of this was awesome. Okay, awesome. It felt like a heavy butter or cream was going in my hair. Like it felt so much better than any gel could feel gliding through your hair. So that was a plus. I don't know about long lasting and humidity resistant because like I said, my hair is already reverting back. And as you touch your hair, it is kind of sticky, but that was to be expected because of the name of the gel. And also it does have glycerin in it. Y'all know, if you've been riding with me for some time now, You guys know how my hair is kind of trifling with glycerin. So for a wash and go, I don't know how well this would be, but I'm very curious because it was giving my hair so much shine, but my hair is still very, very, very soft, and it's dried a lot, and it's still very soft. So it could be the leave-in that I use. You guys know Paul Mitchell is like everything, and it works so well with almost any product. First, this is how I would do a top knot. So super easy. You can just put your rubber bands on top to give it more of a height to make it look like it is a top knot. Alright, but this was $5.99. So the price point to me isn't bad, and I really don't see this product as being for a wash and go. However, I like to go against the grain and try things. So it says mega hold, and then it's crossed out to extreme, and I'm like, y'all should have just left mega.
Okay.
Like, it really is not extreme in my opinion. I have to play with this some more, so let me know down below in the comments if you tried this, what you used it for, and if you liked it or not. Sculpt and stay. I don't know what it sculpted, it didn't stay. Long lasting, flake free, hold, and humidity resistant. So I'm gonna go throughout the day, and I'm gonna see how it's gonna look towards the end of the day. If I'm able to come back on camera, I definitely will try to update you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate your time. I hope you liked it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you have not, okay, because you already watched this entire video. So I'll just go ahead and click that button down below. All right, and join the fam bam. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video.